Hi guys, it's Luke, and today I'll be doing tier maker. I'm going to be rating the Garden of Ban characters today. So yeah, wait, don't like it. That could be good. I only did the okay, good, and best, but the don't like and hate could work too. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's okay. Chef Pigster. Ooh, he's the fan-made one. Looks mean. Yeah. But Coach Pickles is another fan-made one. The ones that have this look. I'm gonna say if they're fan-made or not. He could go in best. Yeah. Slow Celine. Okay. Okay. Captain Fiddles. Ooh, don't like. Okay, Stinger Flynn, I could put you in best. Ban hate. He slapped our head in literally like chapter 2, I think. Yeah, since I never saw them, I don't really know. I never got to that part of the game. But I could put him good. Jumbo Josh, best. Okay, Nap. Put you in. Okay. Nabelina. Okay. Oh, they're too cute. Nope. The bully. Ooh. He's a baller. Don't do nothing to you. Don't sell you. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. Don't do. Well, no. I'll put him in don't like. Ooh, Zolphius. Best and a peeler bird. Oh, good. So yeah, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do Ban. And then rate these yet. So. Ooh, Bambolina. Great. Stinger Flynn. Great. The drone. It's not really entity. Jumbo Josh. No. Yes, please. Then throws nope. And Ban horrible. So yeah. Guys, that's all I have for today. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye guys.